Let's look at some questions that helps us apply approximation to our everyday life. In this question, we're told that your school library requires additional shelves for 590 books. Now, if each shelf can hold 28 books, about how many shelves would be needed? So to solve this question, we would have to apply our knowledge of approximation. So in this case, you want to see approximately the amount of shelves required to hold these 590 books. So it will be quite a hassle to start looking for the amount of shelves actually required, because when you divide 590 by 28, you will definitely get a decimal fraction as your answer. And of course, we can't do that in real life calculations. So what we do is we round it up. So in this case, let's see what we do to get the answer. So first we'll approximate 590. And we see that 590 is approximately 600, considering the next digit after 5 here. So we've rounded it up to 600. And since each shelf can hold 28 books, so we also round this, approximate it. And then 8 means we round up, so this becomes 30. Now you see that we have numbers that we can actually work with. So let's solve this. So our answer would then be 600 divided by 30. Now of course 0 cancels 0. So 3 here 1, 3 in 6 is 2, and 3 in 0 is 2. So we have 20. So we need at least 20 shelves. Now in real life applications like this, when you want to then purchase the amount of shelf, you always have to increase that value a little to accommodate for error. So in this case, you know that at least you need 20 shelves. Thank you.